What IHL rules protect women and children in conflict detention? Imagine being in a situation where you are detained during a conflict. Now think about how vulnerable women and children are in these moments. International Humanitarian Law, or IHL, sets clear rules to protect them. These rules come mainly from the Geneva Conventions and their additional protocols. They focus on making sure everyone is treated humanely, with respect and care. All detained persons, no matter their gender or age, must be treated with dignity. This means no torture, cruel treatment, or collective punishment. They should receive enough food, medical care, and proper shelter suited to their needs. Women and children must be kept separate from men and adult detainees to prevent abuse and violence. Women should be held in quarters supervised by female personnel, and children should be detained separately from adults. Women have specific protections under IHL. They must be treated respectfully and with dignity, just like men. Pregnant women, nursing mothers, and women with young children are entitled to extra food and medical attention based on their needs. Searches of women detainees can only be done by women. Punishments must consider their sex, age, and health. Cases involving pregnant women or mothers with infants should be prioritized for releases or transfer. Women are protected from sexual violence, including rape and forced prostitution, which are considered serious war crimes. Children also have special protections. They must be treated with care to support their physical and mental growth. Detention should be a last resort and only for the shortest time necessary. Children cannot be sentenced to death or life imprisonment without a chance for releases. Detention staff working with children need to be trained specifically for their needs. States are encouraged to transfer children quickly to civilian authorities for rehabilitation and reintegration. International law promotes the releases or repatriation of vulnerable detainees like children and pregnant women whenever possible. This helps protect their well-being and gives them a chance to rebuild their lives. Women and children also have legal safeguards that prevent punishment without a fair trial. They must be protected from cruel or degrading treatment at all times. In summary, IHL recognizes that women and children face unique risks during conflict detention. The rules aim to protect their dignity, health, and safety. They emphasize humane treatment, gender and age-specific care, and prioritize their releases or transfer to safe places. The Geneva Conventions and their additional protocols provide the legal foundation to ensure these protections are respected in all detention settings during armed conflicts.